one of the problems that I see that I would really like to tackle would be the homelessness crisis. What I've noticed is, like, when I was a kid, there was one homeless person. I think he even had a home, but his name was Buster, and everybody knew his name. And now we've got so many homeless people. I don't know too many people that know their names. And having been through, this at the rough end of the system, and having been homeless for a short period myself, and lived in my car, and I can see how precarious it can be, and how just a life-changing crisis can limit the number of choices or options that a person thinks they have. And so they end up in a position where they don't know how to get out of it. And unfortunately, once they're there, they get judged relentlessly for being there instead of being supported and understood. And there are some people in our society that they don't gel well with the current systems, because the current systems aren't designed for the way that their brains work. And instead of trying to create better systems that do encourage them the way that their brains actually work, what we're doing is we're punishing them for having brains that work differently. And unfortunately, a lot of these people give up hope because the system, every time they butt up against it, they just come away battered and bruised and bloody. I can see that there are ways in which we can approach these problems, which could be more, certainly more compassionate and more understanding, and help these people find the purpose that they need, stop the relentless judging of the drug and alcohol use, and see it as that's a sign of unresolved trauma, or other difficulties, and that there are pathways out of it. We need to come from a place of just complete open understanding and non-judgment.